Hello and welcome back for today's Financial News Digest, presented by CentFX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Tesla stock closed at $406 on Wednesday, down 3.8% from the previous day, amid investor concerns about near-term earnings visibility and execution risks. The French stock market index climbed 1% on Wednesday, outperforming most European peers, as broad-based gains across defensives, energy, and luxury stocks lifted the index. U.S. gasoline futures rose toward $1.95 per gallon, recovering from recent losses, as higher crude feedstock costs and renewed geopolitical risk in the Middle East restored part of the risk premium. The Japanese yen traded near 157 per dollar, hovering at its weakest level in nearly 2 weeks ahead of lower house elections this weekend. Ether traded at around $2,100 this Thursday, decreasing by 3.8% in the last 24 hours. Looking back, over the last 4 weeks, Ether lost over 36%. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12 p.m., the UK to release the interest rate for January, following 3.75% in December. At 1:15 p.m., the Euro area will release figures for the interest rate of January, following 2.15% in December. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 1:30 p.m., the unemployment rate in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 4.4% in December. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the non-farm payrolls of January, following 50,000 jobs in December.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CentFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.